Today's video, I'm gonna be crash testing Speed Champions Lego cars, and there's one car that's a custom car, and of course I call it the booster car because it has a jet like boost right here. It's like a, I don't know, like something like a boost. So yeah, this is a custom car. I just removed the engine. I can add it back on later in the video or after the crash test. But yes, first we're going to be crash testing this Speed Champions McLaren, but it's missing a bumper bar, but who cares? I'm going to be crashing it from probably like 5 miles per hour. Basically a mid-swing. I don't know if it works on one, like, alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that broke. Well, I'll just do a second try just for you guys. If you subscribe, I'm going to drop test from 10 feet. Which is practically the ceiling. And yes, yeah, let me just do a second try just for you guys. So you have to subscribe, and then at the end of the video, I'm gonna drop this from 10 feet. Cause at Brickbot's house, we dropped it off his roof, which is basically like 20 something feet or 30 from like his room. So yeah, we're gonna be crash testing this 5 miles again. This time from here. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was more like 7 miles. And literally no damage. I mean, like, this, of course, it fell off. Let's try third time. Yep, it's taking no damage, guys. No damage. But yeah, this car, only that broke. Yeah, whatever. Let's just take that out of the way. Well, next up we got my custom. Of course, this is a custom. Took me an hour to build because the pieces are literally lost. It doesn't look cool though. It's thick. Look at this compared to my hand. It's like thick and beautiful. It has a booster. It reminds me of some kind of, you know, like some kind of old type of car. But yeah, 3, 2, 1. 1 mile first. How about this? 1 mile. Pass. 2 miles. Alright, 3 miles. 4 miles. It's 4 miles starts, guys. 5 miles. Okay, that took a turn. Fix this wall real quick. Alright, there we go. Alright, 6 miles. The one that, you know, mostly destructive. Oops, that turned. Again. Oh, the booster fell off. This booster thing part fell off. Let's put that aside and grab this. Oh, not only the booster fell off, also the bumper fell off, bruh. As usual, when you people do crash test videos or crash test, of course the you know, bumper falls off or any side parts. So let's try one more time just for you guys. So you have to subscribe. 3, 2, 1. And oh, this part fell off. 2 pieces. Basically 2 pieces. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 pieces fell off. This is 13 pieces right here. I counted. So yeah, guys, let's put all of this aside once again, bruh. And up next, we have this car. Yeah. Alright, let's crash test. Let's start with 1 mile first. No damage. Only tiny bit loose right there. This car's super weak. 2 miles. 3 miles. Oops. 4 miles. 5 miles. 6 miles. The most destructive one. Oops. This fell once again. Alright, launching 3, 2, 1, 7 miles. Oh dang, that car is actually strong. I guess because of this bumper. It looks like it's perfectly fine. That's crazy. After literally 6 attempts in 6 miles. Alright, 7 miles, the one that no car could pass. What the? 8 miles. Oh, one part. Oh, 2 parts fell. 2 parts fell. Let's put that aside. But I'm gonna crash test this one more time just for you guys. So, yeah. Let's crash test this one last time, guys. Just for you guys. So you better subscribe because my brother's gonna be angry at me. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Alright, turns out that there's no damage on the 3rd or 4th or 8th or 9th time. But yeah, guys, let's put that aside with these broken parts. Look at this. We literally risked 3 cars, bro. Ugh, looks like I'm gonna have to mod some of them. So yeah, let's see what's next. Alright, so we got these. Next one is probably this Ferrari, some sort of but I guess you want me to mod this to someone, to some kind of car, but like I think you mentioned the Ferrari, like the 40 one, but it's the F12. So you know, this is just for content. Alright, so if you guys like this video and at 10 likes or at least 100 views, I'm gonna drop one of these cars because these are my favorite cars. This one's my favorite because, you know, it just looks cool. Second favorite, this one or that one. So yeah, guys, better subscribe because as far as slam to the wall, only 2 attempts. 3, 2, 1, 5 miles. No damage. That was well. Alright, another 6 miles or 7 miles. Okay, no damage. That went well. Oh yeah, just for you guys. Okay. Better subscribe because this video is already 7 minutes long. If you made it this far, you may consider subscribing because why are you watching this still? But yeah. Yeah. So as I promised. Alright guys, camera nearly died, but this is the McLaren car. I promised I'll drop it in the video. 10 feet. This is gonna be such a pain to fix, guys. And I'm not that smart of rebuilding Lego cars, because I think I lost the instructions. But you can see this interior is already falling off. So yeah, guys, 10, 3, 2, 1. Such a pain. It looks like it broke into 100 pieces. Oh my goodness. Hold on, let's count all the pieces. Yeah, guys, see, this is the car. It's gonna be unfixable. Oh, no. Well, this is the car. Oh, don't tell me it. Did I just snap a... Never mind. Probably not. But yeah, guys, this is the car. Looks destructed. Literally destructed. Half the car is gone. So you consider subscribing because I literally promised another video. And then video I dropped this. Hope you enjoyed watching. Peace out.